Here with you, Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today I'm gonna make the more important video of my channel. The more important video of YouTube, really. Is the more important video I ever did till now. How to make your child millionaire. This is the video I will wish my father was looking in the past, that my grandfather was looking, will be a lot different what is happening right now in my life or in the family life. I know that most of you have a job that don't like it, take very less money a month, and struggle to pass months by month. Imagine you that now have a family, you want to have a child. Imagine you have the tool to helping your child when he arrived to his when he already become a man, he already have 20 years older, he already want to start discovering the world, have his own job, follow his dream. You can give him that amount, 1 million euro to your son, and make him follow his dreams without need to worry about the money, that he can grow, that he can make money alone, that the money if coming alone to him without he need to do nothing. This is the strategy I'm gonna show you today, how to make that happen. And if you are a young guy who have 20, 25, and you just now start working, you also can use this strategy for in the next 20 years you can retire with $1 million, €1 million. So let's begin. We're talking about the compound interest. Yeah, you're gonna say it's a lot of story about it. You hear something in internet. No, here I show you what you have to do step by step, in what you have to invest. Remember, I'm not financial advisor. I just show you what I'm doing. You are free to do whatever you like. It's not financial advice. It's for entertainment and for education. This video, I have to say these things. Okay, let's say I now gonna have a son, just now born. The first stuff I need to do it is find $1,000. I know you can do that. I am sure you can. Don't be worried. From your job, even if you take 1,000 a month, slowly you're gonna be able to get the 1,000. Save it for sure in your bank. You put €1,000, $1,000 in your investment account. Then each month you just need to put $50 a month. $50 a month. Come on. Stop drinking beer, or at least decrease the amount. Stop smoking. Take that money and put it for your child. After 20 years, when your son is already grow, when he want to start discover the world, and when he want to start follow his dream, you can give to him $1,122,000. Yes, you hear me right. You think, how is possible? How you can do that? In 20 years, you just need to buy an ETF that follow the Nasdaq 100 in leverage X3. Don't worry, everybody says risky. Believe me, everything is risky in the life. Any business you do it, but for sure you're gonna be able to help your child. I personally do this one. This instrument, this ETF, give you an average in the last 10 years of a 30. I say you exactly how much. Of a 36.58% in the last 10 years. Included this fall down that was have right now in the market in 2023. That fall that we was having all the 2022 is included in this average return. So it's really great return. If you do this one for 20 years, when your son have 20 and coming out to the world after he study and want to follow his real dreams, you can give to him $1 million. And if you are a young guy who have 20 and you follow these steps, also in the next 20 years, when you are 40, you can retire. And you have 40 and you want to have a pension, but you don't know how to do it. This is another way. When you arrive to the 65, or 60, depends in which country, you're gonna have 1 million for your retirement plan. You can put them in dividends and earn passive income each month without losing that million. Okay, let's say you don't trust too much the TQQ because it's a leverage ETF. Okay, we have an alternative. We can use the SP500, but the SP500, sorry, have an average of a 12.21% a year. If we calculate with that percentage, we're gonna put just a 10 because we never know what we're gonna do really in the future, but we can guess a little bit at least. We can have this experience from the past. So let's put a 10%. If we do that, we're gonna only earn in 20 years 45,296. So it's really too less. For increase that amount, you need to put at least 200, and then you're gonna have $159,000. That is already a first step for the financial freedom. It's also okay for start, but if you have another option that can give you a lot more, I think if you already risk that amount of money, that is not really not too much, is 48,000, I think, in 20 years. I think is best to try the more risky, in my opinion. You can do whatever you want. Another different instrument we can use is the Nasdaq 500 himself. He gives you an average of 17.97%. So 17.97%, let's put a 15, just 15% with 50, how we was doing it with the other, you are risking just a 12,000, like you was doing with the TQQ, just $12,000, $12,000 from your own money, really risk in 20 years, and you will earn 94,000. So you are almost in the 100,000 goal. That is the beginning of the financial freedom. The more difficult is the first 100,000. From there is more easy. But by my advice, I already have that tool. Why not use it? 30%, you risk 12,000 of your money for 20 years, and you can earn 1,122. 1,122,000, sorry. So you can give to your son 1,122,000 when he already become old enough, when he already grow up like a man, or if you are a young guy, you can have that money when you have 40, or if you already have 40, you can have that money for retirement. So still not too late. Till 40, you still have time to get $1 million before you get to the 65. So this is a great tool that you can use it. Let's say you have luck and you have a little bit more money to put each month. Let's say you have a better job. Instead of 50, you can put 100. If you put 100 a month each month for 20 years in this ETF, the TQQQ, you will earn 1,869,000, almost 2 million in 20 years. Imagine what can do your son with it. Imagine what you can do it in 20 years from now, and you just invested 24,000. I know it's not guaranteed that in the next 20 years you're gonna have an average of 30%. Can happen you have more. Can happen you have less. Let's say you have only a 25%. Just want to show you the difference. What different scenario still is 812,000. So still you are great to start your financial freedom. It's all up to you. Don't be scared. Come on, we're talking about just 50 euro a month. Just 50 euro a month can change the life of you, of your child, of all your family. Don't give excuses for not doing that. Rid off all the alcohol, rid off of the cigarette, of all these bad habits, and use it for grow, for help your family and help your child. So thank you one more time for looking the video, and see you next time.